Om. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायणमहानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनुजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम् सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। All the animals, the entire nature celebrates every season. The seasons are for reasons. When we don't see the reason, we don't enjoy the season. Every changing season has purpose, bringing in different kinds of experiences for all the living beings. And the animals who are much closer to the nature, much connected to the nature, much depending on the nature, enjoy them more than human beings who seclude themselves, try to, in the name of independence, destroy the nature due to selfishness, overutilize the nature, is the one who suffers. So here all the living beings, they are all, here explained by Valmiki as those which are used to these kind of changes. They are all expressing themselves. As we saw, even the elephant, the snakes which are in hibernation, they were hibernating during the rainy season because they cannot move around. Now slowly they are coming out of the anthills. They are of course hungry, for so long they have not eaten. And they are also in different colors coming out. And this beautiful Ragavati Sandhya Swayam Ambaram Jahadi Aho, beautifully put there by Valmiki in 45th verse in Sarga number 30. Continuing, the beauty of the night now explain. Ratri Shashango Shangodita Somya Vaktra
Ratrishankhodita Soumya Vaktra
Taraganon Charu Netra
Taraganon Charu Netra
Yotsanam Shuka Pravarana Vibhati
Josna Shukapra Varna Vibhati
Nareva Shuklam Shuka Sumbratangi
Nariva Shuklam Shuka Samvrutangi
Vivakvashali Prasavani Bhuktva
Vipakvashali Prasavani Bhuktva
Praharshita Sarasa Charu Panktihi
Praharshita Sarasa Charu Panktihi
Namasamakramati Shigravegaha
Nabhasamakramati Shigravegaha
Vatavaduta Kratiteva Mala
Vatavadhuta Gratiteva Mala
Suktaika Hamsam Kumudairupetam
Suktaika Hamsam Kumudairupetam
Mahahridastam Salilam Vipati
Mahahridastam Salilam Vibhati
Ganirvimuktam Nishipurna Chantram
Ganairvimuktam Nishipurna Chandram
Taragana Kirnamivantariksham
Taragana Kirnamivantariksham
Ratrihi Nariva Vibhati. The night is appearing like a woman, a girl. Shashanka Udita Soumya Vaktra. The face is none other than the beautiful moon. Shashanka Udita Soumya Vaktra. The beautiful moon has risen. That is the face. What are the eyes? Taragana. Unmudita Charu Netra. Beautiful eyes, which are none other than twinkling stars on a Sharat, Kala, where the clouds are no more. And the night is so cool. When we look at there, now obviously nowadays because of this heavy lights that are still there beyond midnight in the cities, we will not be able to enjoy the beauty of the night. When I was growing up and used to go to the village in Kerala, by 6:37, no lights. Of course, Kerala, even though produces a lot of electricity due to water, but it doesn't know how to retain electricity. So it is all sold out to other states. So it is usually very dim light, or sometimes no light. And by 7:30, 8 o'clock, everything is dark. Man, when you look at the sky, even I can even imagine now it's sun also. How we in the cool night, so many stars. I don't want to go anywhere. And just inside the house, there is a place where it is open to the sky in the middle. Look at it. It was filled with stars. I mean, it's not one here, one there, one this. Filled. And Jyotsna Amshuka Pravarana, clothed by the moonlight. Avarana. 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 Jyotsan Amshuka. Amshu means the rays. Moonlight is the one which is her cloth, which she is wrapping herself. Shuklam Shuka Samrutangi. Shukla Amshuka. It is not any other color, but a white, bright white. It looks like a Milky Way is what is referred to. It's like a Samruddha Angi. Her body is covered with a beautiful thin linen kind of a cloth, which is none other than the moonlight. And Nabaha Vipakvashali Prasavani. Because of the rains, the various corns and other paddy, etc., are all very well grown. Vipakvashali, shali is the paddy there. Prasavani, and the very years when they have grown up and they're what you call corns here or the paddy's top portion, the cranes which are there, they have enjoyed the paddy's little small growth. Bhuktva praharshita sarza charupankti. Charupankti, these rows of cranes have already eaten those beautiful paddy growth. And they are moving about in the sky. Nabab samakramati. They are moving about in the space. Shigravegaha. Going very fast as a row of them. Vata avadutaha. Being, and when they were flying, the wind is also there. And because of the wind, they are actually swaying there. Mala Garitita Yuva. And the beautiful white cranes, they look like as though a garland is hanging on the sky. And they go together. They don't leave each other, but they go together and swinging on the sky. As though the mala, a beautiful garland, is hanging in the sky, white garland. And Suptaiha Hamsam Kusumaihi Kumudaihi Upedam Mahahridastam Salilam Vibhati. Salilam, the water, Mahahridastam, in the lakes, in the large lake, Vibhati shines. It looks like, the lake, in the lake, Supta Eka Hamsam, one single Hamsa bird, swan, is lying there. It looks like that. Kumudaihu Upedam, surrounded by beautiful lotuses. Mahahridastam, on the lake. Salilam Vibhati. What? He's comparing the sky with the lake. In the lake, there is a Hamsa bird surrounded by the lotuses. He's lying there, fast asleep. And he compares that with beautiful sky, Ganair Vimuktam, without any cloud, Nishipurna Chandram, in the night, it is full moon, Saragana Akirnam, with the stars around him, Iva Antariksham, the sky. The sky and the lake are compared to each other, and in place of swan, it is the moon. In place of the lotuses, they are the stars. Such is the beauty of that night, the Sharat Nishi, Sharat Nisha, the night, the autumnal night. Prakirna Hamsa Kulame Kalanam.
Prakirna hamsa kulamekhalanam.
Prabhuddha Padmotpala Malininam.
Prabuddha padmotpalamalinam.
Vapyuttamanam Adhikatya Lakshmi.
Vapyuttamanam adhikadhya lakshmihi.
Varangananam iva bhushitanam.
Varangananam iva bhushitanam.
Venusvaravyanchita suryamitra.
Venusvaravyanjita turya mishraha.
Mishra, correct. Put pratyusha kale nilasam pravruttaha.
Pratyusha kale nilasam pravruttaha.
Sammurchito gakvarago vrushanam.
Sammurtito gargarago vrushanam.
Anyonyamapurayati vashabdaha.
Anyonyamapurayati vashabdaha.
Navairnadinam kusuma prahasaihi.
Navairnadinam kusuma prahasaihi.
Vyaduyamaner mrudumarutena.
Vyaduyamanai mrudu marutena.
Dhauta malakshobha pataprakashai.
Dautamalakshau mapata prakashaihi.
Kulani kashair upashobhitani.
Kulani kashairupasobhitani.
Vanaprachanda madhupana shaundaha.
Vanaprachanda madhupana shaundaha.
Priyanvita shadcharana prakrishtaha.
Priyanvita shatcharana prahrushtaha.
Vaneshu matta pavananu yatram.
Vaneshu mattah pavananu yatram.
Kurvanti padmasana renu gauraha.
Kurvanti padmasana renu gauraha.
Jalam prasannam kusuma prahasam.
Jalam prasannam kusuma prahasam.
Kaunchasvanam shalivanam vipakvam.
Kaunchasvanam shalivanam vipakvam.
Mruduscha vayurvimalascha chandraha.
Mruduscha vayurvimalascha chandraha.
Samshanti vartavyapanita kalam.
Shamsanti varshavyapanita kalam.
Minopasamdarshita mekalanam.
Minopasandarshita mekhalanam.
Nadevadunam gatayotyamandaha.
Nadivadhunam gatayodhyamandaha.
Kantopabhuktalasaгаminanam.
Kantopabhuktam gaminam.
Prabhada kale shivakaminam.
Vivakaminam.
Lakshmi varangananam iva bhushitanam. The Lakshmi here, as I said, the prosperity which is explicitly seen as though during the time of autumn, who had brought great prosperity of fertility in the entire earth. She is worshipped after when the autumn season begins, especially, that is the reason why the Lakshmi is specially worshipped as the deity of wealth after the autumn, after the rainy season. In many parts of India, especially in Gujarat, they consider that as the beginning of the year, then during the Diwali time, just right after the rains and before the winter. And also we have the Navaratri. Navaratri, 9 days of worship of Devi, Prakriti. Devi Hesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya, Bhagavan has said. Mama Maya, my power of Maya is Duratyaya, difficult to overcome. Not that it is difficult in the sense of saying that she is something to be shunned or rejected, but difficult to understand, because so long as we live in this world, we are under the grip, we are under the control, we are under the, not to, I can say control, under the blessings and embrace of Prakriti, so to say. And so worship of the Devi in the 9 different days with 9 different forms is not to be considered as a helpless situation. See, every one of us, 9 months we stayed with the total dependence on Prakriti only, Maya, Prakriti. In the mother's womb, what independence you had, what freedom you had. Neither the mother had any freedom with the child, nor the child had any freedom with the mother. Mother feeds all right, but she is not deciding what should happen to the child. And child had, the infant in the womb has no choice. And so, in those 9 months when we lived inside the womb of the mother, how we entirely depend upon what happens to us. In the same way, all of us as living beings are living under the grace, under the blessings of the Mother Earth. When Bhagavan says Mama Maya Duratyaya, it does not mean something we have to be unhappy about. Duratyaya here means you understand her presence, respect, revere, adore, and in and through her presence, know that I am there. If you focus on me, you don't have any trouble with that. If you don't focus on me, it will look like a burden. Mameva ye pravatyante maya metam taranti. A crossover. Anyway. So Lakshmi is considered as the goddess of prosperity, and she, having created enough for the entire year, water is life. Without water, no food will be there. Parjanyad anna sambhavaha. So annam, annat, bhutani jayante. So because of the food, tena annena vardante. So because of the food only they grow, they remain, and that annam is possible because of parjanya, the rain. So the sustenance she provides, the nourishing sustenance she provides. Prakirna hamsa kula bekalanam. In the sky, what we see is the hamsa kula. The whole swans are looking like Prakirna hamsa kula. and it is like a girdle, and is there Prabuddha Padma Utpala Malininam, and the place is, the lake is filled with the well-blossomed lotuses. They look like a mala, a beautiful garland. Vapi Uttamanam Adhika Adya, very much enhanced by the lake is looking so beautifully, enhanced brightness. Adhika Adya Lakshmi. Today the Lakshmi is seen as though residing on the lake. You know, interesting thing is, both Saraswati and Lakshmi, both are portrayed as remaining in the water. Saraswati sitting on the lotus, white lotus, playing her veena. Lakshmi is standing on the water, on the red lotus. Only Durga is on the tiger. Tiger, or sometimes portrayed as sitting on a lion also. And that is, she's on earth, obviously she's not in the water. So what is to say? That is to say, Durga is protector, and Lakshmi is nourisher. Nourishing and protecting is necessary, but no knowledge means there is a trouble. Jnaan bhi chahiye, daan bhi chahiye, virya bal bhi chahiye. If a person is knowledgeable and wealthy, but unprotected, danger. Protected, wealthy, no knowledge, danger. Knowledge and protection, no wealth at all, danger. All the three are necessary. The body also need to be taken care, mind has to be taken care, heart has to be taken care. So, here, Lakshmi Varangana Nama Bhushitanam, she looks like a girl which is fully decorated with a lot of ornaments. So he's comparing the Lakshmi as none other than the Vapi. Vapi means the lake. Lake is so ornamented with the swans scattered around, with the lotuses acting as a garland there. And that brightness of the beauty of that entire lake is seen there. Venu Swaravya Anjita Turya Mishra. The bamboos are known for creating a beautiful music, not by themselves, only when the air passes slowly through it. Venuswara Vyanjita Turya Mishra. So the music is produced. It's so like a whistling. Any of the, if you see Venu, that's a bamboo music of the flute. Nature does it by itself. When the air slowly, the breeze gently passing through. Turya Mishra, it's like a lute, and a sound which is not directly produced easily, it is like Mishra. So Vyanjita means produce. Vyanjita Turya Mishra Partyusha Kale, at the early morning time, Anila Sampravritta. Because of the Anila, the air, early morning breeze is passing through those the bamboos and making a beautiful smart music there. So what happens? The Govrishanam Anyonya Mapureva Shabda Gahwaraha. And what happens? This sound is resounding inside the caves. And allowed with what is a Mishra there? There the Govrishas, that is the bulls, are bellowing, making that their sound also. So the flute sound as well as the bellowing of the bulls, both are mixed inside the cave and reverberating. Go Gahwara cave, Govrishanam Anyonyam Apuraitiva Shabda. The both of them complementing each other, mixed with each other. There is a peculiar sound is coming out there. And Navainadinam, because of the Nadinam Kusuma Mahasaihi Vyaduyamanaihi Mrudumarutena, by the soft breeze, Vyaduyamanaihi, being swung here and there, Kusuma Prasasaihi, the beautiful kusumas, the blossoms, flowers, because of, they are just grown up because of the freshness of the water. Navair Nadinam Kusuma Prahasaihi Vyaduyamanaihi Mrudumadure Marutena. By the soft breeze, they are being like made to dance here, there, here, there. Dyota Amala Kshobha Pata Prakashaihi. And Dyota, very much washed, Amala, made clean, Kshoma Pata. Kshoma is like a linen cloth, naturally born silken cloth. Pata Prakashai, Pata cloth, the Prakash, the brilliance of that flower is that they look like a silky white linen. Kulani Kashair Upashobitani, and along with the Kusha grass, Kasha grass, Kasha grass, they are also there, gently being moved here and there. Kashaihi Upashobitani, Kulani. Basically, Kulani Upashobitani. Kula is not air cool. Kula is a pond of water, pond or the plus a tank, we would say. Usually it's a well, but it's a tank here, open tank. And Vaneshu Mattaha Pavananu Yatram Kurvanti. Padmasana Renu Gauraha Jalam Prasannam Kusuma Prahasam Kraunchasanam Shalivanam Vipakvam. And the waters that are there, that way it is beautifully explained how charming those waters are seen. And the black bees which were there, Vaneshu Mattaha, in the very forest, they have drunk enough of honey. Pavananu Yatram Kurvanti. They are moving along with the Pavana Yatra, Pavana Anuyatra. As per the wind, so also they are moving. And Padmasana Renu Gauraha. And even though they are black bees, because they sat on the lotuses, they got the pollen while drinking the honey, and the pollens being white, they look like white colored. Renu Gauraha. Kusuma Prahasam, filled with the beautiful lotuses. Prasannam Jalam, very clear water. Kraunchasvanam Shalivanam Vipaktam. and with the sound of the Crauncha bird, Shalivanam, and that very whole forest there, they are beautifully, the asana birds, asana, is what he says, Shalivanam Vivaktam, with the flowers which are lotus and asana. And Mriduscha Vayur Vimalascha Chandraha. No, the previous, Vanaprachanda Madhupana Shaundaha. Vanaprachanda, those who are very adept in moving about in the Vana, Madhupana Shaundaha, and they are capable, skillful enough to pick up only the honey. Priyanvidaha, along with their own beloved ones, Shatcharanaha, the bees, Prakrishtaha, delightful. That's what the black bees now they are moving around. And the next one is Chandra Prasannam Kusuma Prahasam Kraunchasvanam Shalivanam Vipakvam Mrutuschavayur Vimalascha Chandraha. The soft breeze with beautiful spotless moon. Of course, spotless moon means the usual spots will be there, but otherwise. Samshanti Varsha Vyapanita Kalam. They are so beautifully shining because there is no rain there to darken the sky. Varsha Vyapanita, where there is no more clouds there. Vyapanita Kalam at that time. And then that's how the beautiful entire place is. And Meenopa Samdarshita Mekalanam Nativa Dunam Gatayotra Mandaha Kantopa Muktalasa Alasa Gamininam Prabhada Kali Swavakamininam. The rivers which are there, where the Meena Upasam Darshita Mekalana. Mekala again, the girdles are like a Meena Upasam Darshita. The rivers are seen like having girdles. Girdles means that belt that they were, what to call the Oddiana. So that is what they wear during the dance when these kids, when they do the Arangetram, they wear that golden, the belt kind of thing. Only then they can wear, because after that, when they stop dancing, they won't meet. When they stop dancing, only until Arangetram, they dance. After that, nothing happens. That Oddianam stands like an ornament, like a monument there standing. After that, they can't do a thing. Because the body becomes big and then this and that. And they'll wait for their daughter to come and then take it. So the fishes that are found in the lake and in the Nadi, they look like, the girdles there. Nadi Avadunam Gatayaha Adya Manda. The beautiful Nadi which is slowly is moving about there. It is like what? Kanto Upamukta Alasagaminina. Upamukta. It is like the young girls being in the company of their own beloved ones. Kanta Upabukta ka alasa. Bukta alasa. Alasa means sporting. Sporting with their own beloved ones. Gaminina. The girls. Prabhada Kaleshu Iva. Gaminina. And at that time, when they are at the early morning, after having spent the night with the beloved one, when they move about slowly at the beginning of the day, Prabhada Kali Shivagaminina. It is like that. So it's comparing the Nadi with the girl, and which is slowly moving about. Sachakravakani Sashaivalani.
Sachakravakani Sashailavani.
Kashe Dukule Rivasambrutani.
काशैर्दुकूलैरिव संवृतानि
तपत्तरेकानि सरोचनानि
सरोचनानि
वधूमुखानीव नदीमुखानि
वधूमुखानीव नदीमुखानि
प्रफुल्लबाणासनचित्रितेषु
लबानासनचित्रतेषु
प्रहृष्टषट्पादनिकूचितेषु
प्रहृष्टषट्पादनिकूजेषु
गृहीतचापोद्यतण्डचण्डः
गृहीतचापोद्यतदण्डकेन्दः
प्रचण्डचापोद्यवनेषु कामः
चण्डचापोद्यवनेषु कामः
लोकं सुवृष्ट्या परितोषयित्वा
लोकं सुवृष्ट्या परितोषयित्वा
नदीस्तटाकानि च पूरयित्वा
नदीतटाकानि च पूरयित्वा
निष्पन्नसस्यां वसुधां च कृत्वा
निष्पन्नसस्यां वसुधां च कृत्वा
त्यक्त्वा नभस्तो यधरा प्रणष्टाः
त्यक्त्वा नभस्योद्धरा प्रनष्टाः.
along with Chakravaka and Chakravakani Sashaivalani and Kashaihi Dukulaihi Iva Sambrutani. So along with the Chakravaka board, it is seen here, the main Vasudhani Iva Nadi Mukhani, that is Nadi Mukhani, Vadu Mukhani Iva Drishyante. Drishyante, what is that? Nadi Mukhani, the face of the river, it's looking like a face of a Vadu, a young girl. And how is that? It is said here, the Nadi, which has the Chakravaka bird sitting there, Sashaivalani, with the buckwheats which are also present there, Kasher Dukulai, with the silk, the reeds that are there, with the, earlier also said the kasha grass. The kasha grass are the dukulai riva, like the dukula means a fine silken cloth, like that. Sambrutani. They are covered, the entire nadi is covered. Think about the face of this maiden, a young maiden, and she is wearing a very fine silken cloth covering herself. And she also had her face decorated with a particular anointment called Gochara. So Goracha, not Gochara, Goracha. Goracha is taken out of the pile of the cow. So that very fine thing, Sarochanani and Sapatra Rekani. And also there is seen that the nadi is looking like that of the girl with having the grass which is grown there, which is of the fine silken, kind of the fiber, which is covering entire thing, Sambrutani, and also the blackweed and also Chakravaka bird, and that the Sapatra Rekhani, with the green leaves also covering that, it looked like a face of a girl, which is covered with the fine linen clothes. And also we see here, Prapulla Banasana, and the very well blossomed Bana and Asana trees. Prapulla Bana Asana Chitriteshu, decorating that beautifully with their flowers. Prakrishta Shatpada Nikujideshu, while the bees which have drunk the honey, they are moving about there and they are making lot of sound there. Prahrishta Pada, Prakushta Shatpada, Nikuchideshu, as they are humming there, Grihida Chapa Udya Danda Chandaha, Vaneshu Kamaha, Prachanda Chapa Adya. So it is like at that point, the Lord of Love, that is Kamaha, Cupid, moving about in the forest, Vaneshu, moving about among the various such blossomed trees, Grihida Chapa, Udyata Danda Chanda, with his own bow and arrow, well raised up by him, Grihida Chapa, Udyata Danda Chanda. This is the time the Lord of Love, Kama, he makes everybody's mind passionate. Because the heat of the summer is not there. The dryness of the winter is not there. And everywhere the coolness is there due to the heavy rains. Flowers and other things are slowly coming up. Lakes are filled. Because of the lakes are filled, all the swans and other things are also there everywhere. And the other animals also have come out. And a new season of freshness is present everywhere. And that is what is seen. See, there is a difference between the Vasanta or the spring season, which is right after winter, compared to autumn, the season, right after the rain. So when the winter is over and new leaves are coming, that is Vasanta. No doubt that is also so fresh and so beautiful. But the Vasanta is not the time where cultivation is not there. I mean, the water is still not there on the ground. When the water is there, then prosperity starts. So the comparison of Vasanta is like freshness, no doubt there. Everywhere flowers are coming out, new leaves are coming out. But the fertility and nourishment that the rain gives, right after the rain, when the autumn season, I do not know, in this country, there is no autumn season. This is a problem, because in this season only, after the rain, it's all, after the summer, it is no rain. It is only fall. The fall, and then everything looks so deserted and this and that. But in India, there are two kinds of rainy seasons that happen. That is in the month of June, July, and then return September up to October, some beginning of October. So the Navaratri season is when the rains have stopped and winter has not started. And so everybody enjoys the freshness of the sky and the fertility of the earth in that time. And that is not seen in many parts of the world. The autumn season, where it brings that joyful, coolness. So here we find that the Kama, the Lord of Love, is now there, reigning the entire place with his bow raised up. And Lokam Suvrishtya Paritosha Yitva, in the earth being completely saturated with Toshayitva, Surushtya, by the beautiful rains, Nadis Tatakani Chapurayitva, having made the lakes and the rivers filled with water, Nishpanna Sasyam Vasudam Chakrutva, entire earth has been made with very well grown paddies and corns there. Nishpanna Sasyam Vasudam Chakrutva, Tyaktva Nabastoya Dhara Pranashtaha. And also the clouds have deserted this space, the sky. And this is a description, to be precise, about the autumn season. Earth is saturated with the fertility. Waters are plenty in the rivers and the lakes. And all the corns and everything has grown up so well because of the fertility of the land. And the sky is completely devoid of all the clouds. And this way, the entire place is looking so, welcoming. Darshayanti Sharannadyah
Darshayanti Sharannadyah
Pulinani Shanai Shanaihi
Pulinani Shanai Shanaihi
Navasangama Savrida
Navasangama Savrida
Jaganani Vayoshitaha
Jaghanani Vayoshitaha
Prasanna Salila Somya
Prasanna Salila Saumya
Kurarabi Vinaditaha
Kurarabi Vinaditaha
Chakravaga Gana Kirnaha
Chakravaka Gana Kirnaha
Vibhanti Salilashayaha
Vibhanti Salilashayaha
Anyonya Bhatta Vairanam
Anyonya Baddha Vairanam
Jikishunam Nrupatmaja
Gishunam Rupatmaja
Udyoga Samaya Soumya
Udyoga Samaya Saumya
Parthivanam Upastitaha.
Parthivana Mupastitaha.
That particular season of autumn is also the season for the man and the woman to come together. That's why it is why this Cupid is there. The Lord of Love is moving about. Nadyaha, the rivers, Darshayanti, they show Sharan, the autumnal river, Sharan Natyaha, Darshayanti, Pulinani Shanai Shanai. It's a very beautiful description. The banks of the rivers are presently saturated with water filled. And as the rains have stopped, slowly, slowly you would see the banks of the river coming into your vision. So the water is slowly receding. No more fresh water coming in due to rain. And that movement of the water that is in the rain slowly showing, in the rivers, slowly showing their banks, it's looking like Navasangam Savridaha Jaganani Vayoshitaha. Like the girl who is just married, how she, during the first time when she is alone with her own beloved, slowly submitting her body to the beloved one, allowing him to see. What a comparison. So it is like with some amount of modesty, some amount of what you call shyness, and how she is allowing him to see. In the same way, the banks are slowly being revealed by the river. Hey Saumya, oh good-looking one, Prasanna Salilaha, the beautiful clear water. Kurara Abhivinadina, by the ospreys, and they are also making the sound there. Abhivinaditaha, Chakravaka Gana Akirnaha, filled with the Chakravaka birds. Salilashayaha, the ponds are Vibhanti, they are shining forth. They are brilliantly being seen. And at the same time, when the season of rain is over, the kings and others who were in the hideout means in their hibernation as it is, they are now ready to take up their work. So you see, as we have seen, these four kinds of, divisions of the human society. At that time, Brahmanaha, they do not conduct any rituals because of the rain, and there is no yajna, yagadi karma can happen because those have to be done in the open. And when it rains, obviously you cannot do yajnas with the fire. So at that time, they have taken a certain amount of, sabbatical from that work. And that is the time they take up to study and contemplation, and groups of people go to them, and then they start to explain the inner imports of the Shastra, Shravan. So at that time, when they continue to study and others come to listen, that is the Brahmana's work. Vaishyas they cannot conduct business to go to places to do their trading. So they are also not very active there. And the Shudraha who are working on the field, etc., are doing that, they are also not able to do their work because of the rains. Now, once the rains are over, everybody is back to action. And we find that the Kshatriyas, whose main work is to protect and also to conquer other nearby cities and nearby samsthanas. So here now, Anyonya Baddhavairanam, those who have enmity among themselves for them to conquer the places, Jigishunam, Jigishu means Jaitumichanam. Jaitumichanam also correct. To conquer, desiring to conquer. Nripatmaja, the son of the king, Udyoga Samayaha. Udyoga Samayam, this is the time for them to engage. Hey Saumya, Parthivanam Upastitaha. This time has come for the Parthivanam, for the kings, for them to engage in the war, to go and conquer, and that is the time of the autumn season. Iyam sa pradama yatra.
Iyam sa pradhama yatra.
Parthivanam Nripatmaja.
Parthivanam Nripatmaja.
Nachapashyama sugrivam.
Nachapashyami sugrivam.
Udyogam cha tatavidam.
Udyogam cha tathavidam.
Asana saptaparnascha.
Asana saptaparnascha.
Kovidarascha pushpitaha.
Kovidarascha pushpitaha.
Drishyante bandhu jivascha.
Drishyante bandhu jivascha.
Shamascha girisanushu. Hamsasara sachakrahvaihi.
Hamsasara sachakrahvaihi.
Kuraraischa samantataha. Pulinanyavakirnani.
Vakirnani.
Nadinam pashya lakshmana.
Nadinam pashya lakshmana.
Tatvaros darshika masaha.
Chatvaro varshika masaha.
Gata varsha satopamaha.
Gata varshika satopamaha.
Mama shoka bistaptasya.
Kabitat
Tata sitam apashyataha.
tata sitam apashyataha.
Iyam sa pradama yatra Parthivanam. Hey Nripatmaja, O son of the king, Parthivanam yatra pradama iyam. This is a time for the kings to start their first occasion of going for their war or battle with others. But at the same time, as all the battalions and the soldiers have started their work, but I don't see Sugriva doing anything for me. Sugrivam udyogam cha tadavidam na pashyami. The Sugriva who is supposed to send his battalion or the army to find out Sita is not yet seen. Asanaha, the tree called Asana, along with its beautiful leaves, Saparnaha, Saptaparnaha, and also the tree called Saptaparna, Kovidara, these are all the name of the Pushpitaha, they are all filled with flowers. Drishyante, Bandhujivascha, another name of another tree, Bandhujiva, and also Shyamascha, the Tamala trees are all Girisanushu at the peaks of the mountains. Sanu means a peak. Girisanushu at the peaks of the mountains are seen filled with flowers. Hamsasara Hamsa Sarasa Chakrahvaihi, and also the swans that are seen there, and cranes and Chakravaka birds. Sarasa Kuraraischa by the ospreys, Samantataha together, Pulinan Yavakirnan. The entire banks are filled with them everywhere. Nadinam Pashya Lakshmana, of the Nadi, of the rivers. See that, O Lakshmana. And these 4 months of the rain, Chatvaru Varshika Masaha Gataha. 4 months I have waited for things to happen. And you also told me, patience, patience, patience. Let the autumn season start. Everything will be fine. I waited. Varshas, and it looked like Mama Shoka Abhitaptasya Tada Shidam Apashyataha Mama Varshashata Upama. These 4 months, that's why they have 4 seasons, 4 seasons hotel. So the 4 seasons, meaning, 4 months of rain, where I was just waiting and waiting so patiently, not seeing my Sita. It looked like Varsha Shatopama. Looked like 100 years have passed by. It is called relativity of time. When you are in the company of somebody whom you love, it is said minutes will go, the days will go like minutes and seconds. When you are with the person, or when you are waiting anxiously for something, even 1 minute will look like one whole day. So here he says, I am waiting for her. I'm waiting for seeing Sita. 4 months have gone. It looked like 100 years have passed. And I'm just waiting. And this Sugriva, he's not done a thing. So, Swamiji, what do we do? We'll wait for 1 more month. What is wrong? If Bhagavan can wait for 4 months, can we wait for at least 1 month? Aganita Guna Gana Bhushana Rama Ashita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukhamardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Palada Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Jeevana Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Siyavara Ramachandra ki Jai Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki Jai Umapati Mahadev ki Jai बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।